What's going on, good people? So we are here in Burlington, and I got hired for a photography job on TaskRabbit, of course. There's this new section over here at the Burlington Mall, and the client that hired me did some painting over here. Did a nice huge, I guess 1 or 2 murals on like the buildings, on like the new buildings over here. So if you're in Burlington, Massachusetts, you will potentially be able to see some work that one of my customers did. Now the big question is, again, where is this mural? They said it's somewhere down in this area, I believe. But yeah, my friends, when I say you can make solid money working on TaskRabbit, I am not joking. But let me find this mural and I'll get back to you guys in a moment. All right, my friends, so this over here is one of the paintings, one of the murals that I have to take photographs of. And again, I was hired to do this pretty much like yesterday on TaskRabbit, which is, in my opinion, the best, if not the second best gig app in the world when it comes to making money, but also finding kind of handyman or general labor help, physical help. And in this case, it's actually something where they do want someone with some skill outside of just moving heavy things, lifting things up and putting things down.
I lift things up and put them down.
And I do have some photography experience. And you know, I've been hired for a few photography jobs on TaskRabbit. I think I have like a 5-star rating. And the company gentleman who was responsible for this painting, as well as one other one, booked me to come up and get some photos of this pretty cool work. So my friends, yes, you can make solid money on TaskRabbit doing various different services, including photography. And on that note, let me get in here and get some photographs of this pretty cool work, and I'll keep you guys posted. All right, peace. All right, my friends, so I did want to really quickly let you guys see the second mural here at the Burlington Mall. As you can see, Simon Center is right, the Simon Center entrance is right next to where the second mural is here. So like I said before, if you guys happen to be in this Burlington area, Burlington, Mass, you'll see some of the work that my client has created. You can literally come up here and check it out. There's this piece, and then the other piece is on the other side of the Fogo de Chao. I'm probably butchering the name, but it's a Brazilian steakhouse right there. So they did this one, and then the dandelion one on the other side. And literally, I mean, I think I've probably been up here for about 20-30 minutes in total, about 10-15 minutes on each photo, on each mural. And yeah, I mean, really easy. I just took a ton of different photos, different angles, mixing it up, getting some low shots, some high shots, you know, left to the right, wide, trying to get some kind of further out, as if I'm, you know, getting cars driving by and stuff. You know, it's early in the morning. And of course, the alarm wants to go off when I'm trying to make a video. So we're gonna walk back to my car and finish this video up over there. All right, okay. So the alarms are still going off, but it's not making the same sound. So yeah, my friends, you can make money on TaskRabbit doing a variety of different things. And this is a good example. I wanted to make sure you guys see me out here. You know, and I would have brought my GoPro to do this, but I wanted to make sure I got this up today, got this up basically this morning ASAP, and give you guys again a glimpse of some of the ways I make money and how you can also make money on TaskRabbit as well. I'm literally doing this particular job with my phone. I mentioned to the gentleman that I have professional video cameras. I could certainly come down and take some photos and do some basic editing and stuff. He said, nope, all I need is a iPhone, which I have a Samsung Galaxy GS 21 Plus. He said that would be fine. And he's like, just shoot them and upload them, send them over. You don't have to edit them or do anything like that. And so, I mean, I'm pretty much done with this job. I'll make for this job today maybe over $150. Put it that way. I can't remember. I don't know. I can't remember exactly how much, but definitely over $150. And ultimately, primarily because of the travel time, which that's for me, it's about 25 minutes. It took me about 25 minutes to get up here. Hopefully less traffic getting home, since that morning commute traffic will hopefully be died down. So, I mean, the total time spent on this will probably be, less, pretty much for what I'm invoicing him, about an hour and a half, I think. My memory serves correctly, is the agreement that we had. So again, my regular hourly rate for photography is about $125. My regular rates on TaskRabbit for other things are only $100. This is not only, that's obviously a lot, but this is even more. And someone booked me for this just yesterday. Not a same day, a day before job. And yeah, people be like, oh, if it's something that you're not going to get hired for a lot, you shouldn't have it as a service on TaskRabbit. I completely disagree. There might be that one-off person who needs help with photography. And, I've gotten hired for a number of photography jobs. I've done probably at least 5 on TaskRabbit. Yeah, people need help with various, things, such as taking photos. And in this case, like I said, I'm literally going to be making over $100 in less than an hour using my phone, my smartphone. Right? So when we talk about this whole, what's the trend? What do they call it? The whole digital nomad. This is a great example of it, because I'm not tied to, an office. I'm not tied to a job where I have to, go to the same place every day. And, I'm miserable. I'm looking out the window, just dreaming about this, that, and the other. No, instead, I get to get out here and mix it up. Every day it's something different. And, today is no different. Today is no different. I am out here in Burlington, and, I'm gonna run over to get some breakfast after this on my way home, and upload these photographs, send them over to the customer, and keep the ball rolling. My same day availability is on. So that's another little tip for you guys if you're part of the Tasker world.